Selamat datang kembali ke BSN dan hari ini kita bakal bikin Premier League predictions musim 2026-27. Nah,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Football's
finally,
back, bro.
Bola is back.
Bola
Udah
is
nggak ada
back.
larpers lagi di
Yeah,
bola.
yeah.
Ya.
Gue capek nonton preseason, bro.
Iya.
I need real games.
Capek
Iya,
banget.
malas sih, jujur malas. Community Shield gila.
3-0.
Oh lu malas karena MU kalah ya kemarin.
Itu preseason doesn't matter, bro.
ya preseason gak penting.
Ya udah, kita mulai dari bawah ke atas dulu.
Yeah,
aja.
let's do relegated
Let's
teams.
do relegated teams first.
Okay, so I mean, usually, like the safe prediction is the 3 teams that go up go down,
go down.
right?
Honestly,
But I don't think that's happening. I think Coventry is staying up.
Coventry, gila sih Frank Lampard as manager. Mereka itu memang ada big belief in their team. They brought in a lot of signings
Yeah.
juga.
They got one big signing from Sunderland, right? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, definitely one of the teams could surprise us. One of the other teams, either Hull or Ipswich. I think Ipswich also brought in a bunch of new signings.
Yeah.
Tapi honestly, kalau buat mereka juga being realistic, the aim for every team that goes up is just to stay
Yeah,
up.
and I mean, if we throw back a few years, Hull City is the definition of a yo-yo club. Dulu, ya.
Dulu.
Kayak it's like a Norwich vibe, kayak naik turun.
Zaman Ben Arfa ya.
Yeah, Hatem Ben Arfa, yeah.
Bisa.
So yeah, I think Hull is probably the weakest. Jadi safe to say mereka.
I think Hull 20th.
20th,
Yeah, I
yeah.
agree.
Okay, 20th.
Terus
Hull terus Ipswich ya.
Ipswich 19th, yeah.
Terus West Ham udah.
Okay,
Sorry.
now
Sorry.
the la-
Sorry.
Oke, nah sekarang pertanyaannya gini, kalau misalnya Coventry beneran stay up,
who's going down?
who's going down? So in my eyes, there's a few teams that could.
Crystal Palace hajar.
No.
Crystal Palace got some good players.
Yeah, they still have Ismail Sarr. They still have.
Ini yang kuning apa ya? Ini yang kuning ya?
Leeds.
Oh,
Yeah,
Leeds bisa.
I think either Leeds or Fulham, honestly. Tapi kayaknya
Fulham
Leeds.
kayaknya sih enggak deh. I feel Leeds.
No, but
boleh.
okay, you know what? I have a bold shot. I don't think they're getting relegated, but I think maybe Sunderland finish in the lower mid table because they
But
sold
Sunderland
so many
always have
people.
Really good like
They've
Like,
signed
enggak
one
deh.
player. They've signed Thomas Munier,
Ya.
and they've sold so many people. But let's see,
I personally want to say Fulham.
Fulham.
Fulham go
enggak.
down.
I feel Leeds boleh lah. Leeds kayaknya oke.
I would say Leeds.
Leeds please.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay.
Oke, thank you.
Kita okay. We can put in Leeds. I think they have
Ledes.
They got a few signings. They got Harry Wilson.
no, Fulham got it, Harry Wilson.
Oh, Fulham got yeah. Okay, I think Harry Wilson keeps Fulham up.
Okay.
Fulham di
Sounds
atas. Leeds boleh deh.
Yeah, I would go for Leeds.
Okay, let's put in Leeds then.
Leeds hajar.
Sorry, Leeds fans.
Tapi yang 18 siapa? Maksudnya 18
18 Leeds, I
Yeah,
think.
18 Leeds.
Sorry, Mini Minter.
Yeah. So I think definitely Coventry, even if they stay up.
I think
they're definitely gonna
17.
be here,
I think
right?
they narrowly avoid relegation.
Yeah, narrowly
Boleh.
avoid it.
If Frank Lampard stays, but he could be sacked by September. Who
Brentford
knows?
lower mid hajar.
Really?
I actually think so too. Honestly, kayak Igor Thiago saved them last season. They had a bunch of midfielders that were playing well.
Yeah.
Like Dango was playing really good football last season. If just one or two of their players don't perform, yeah,
I mean,
they could be in trouble. But like,
Iya.
gitu-gitu aja lah.
yeah,
formnya.
but I don't think they're 60.
Alasan gue
Yeah.
sama kayak dia.
Like if you ask me, I think
Oke, coba kita taruh aja dulu, nanti kita rearrange ya.
Okay.
coba ya.
I think Fulham.
Fulham
Lower
definitely
mid.
there as well.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I definitely think so.
Gue malahan kayak rasa kayak setiap kali gue lihat Fulham dia nggak pernah lower mid gak sih? Dia kemarin emang lower mid.
No, they finished quite high up.
Tapi
Tapi
makanya kayak I don't think so kayak pas season juga kalau lu nonton ya sekarang manajemennya juga masih sama kan kalau Fulham kan.
but they lost so many players
No,
and
they have a new manager. They actually
Arbeloa.
Maksudnya I feel this is the time to switch up that they can go to the upper mids menurut gua sih.
Yeah.
Menurut
I mean,
gua.
to do that with their budget and their
And-
financial spending sih kayak
and their Harry Wilson also gone, Jimenez gone,
Iya sih.
so many players
Iya sih,
gone.
Kalau Jimenez itu juga benar.
I think kalau mereka like they could get relegated if they're not careful.
True.
masih bisa ganti nih Leeds sama Fulham nih.
No, I'll stick to Leeds. I'll stick to
Okay.
Leeds.
Leeds kayaknya di
Okay,
bawah deh.
who else do you think could be in the mix for this?
I think bold shot Newcastle.
I think so too. I really
Bold
think
shot
so
for
too.
me
Because
because
Dia udah jual banyak ya.
They lost Bruno Guimaraes, they
They
lost
lost
Sandro
some-
Tonali,
iya
which in my
sih.
opinion is one of the
Their
best
backbone,
players.
that's their
Gordon
backbone.
juga udah gone. kan?
Gordon
is
gone.
as well.
Gordon juga gone.
Gordon udah
Key players
Barcelona,
juga.
gila keren ngomong Spanyol dia.
But who did they sign? They got 100 mil from Gordon. They got like 80 mil from Tonali.
Maybe duitnya banyak. Oh,
They
They have Saudi owners.
atau
Yeah.
mungkin dia upper mid karena
They have Wissa, which is back to full fitness.
dia
now.
upper mid karena bisa bayar wasit. Ada duitnya.
Yeah.
But I think Newcastle could go back.
Tapi kan
into this
masih ada
discussion.
Nottingham Forest, masih ada Aston Villa. Are you sure?
I mean, Nottingham Forest played incredibly well last season. They have Morgan Gibbs White, who's
maksudnya
like
ada
in peak
Bournemouth,
form
ada
right
Aston
now.
Villa.
I-
Aston Villa nggak begitu.
If-
Sekarang Rashford ke sana ya? Rashford ke Aston.
I think
No, Rashford's
if you're
United.
gonna put someone,
Terus yang ke Aston
Garnacho.
Iya. Oh,
I think
if you're gonna put someone in there, potentially maybe Sunderland.
I agree with Sunderland.
Sunderland or
boleh.
Crystal Palace or even Everton. Everton
Yeah.
didn't do much.
No, they did.
Everton.
They did a lot of business.
Everton bagus
Yeah.
kok.
Who did they bring in?
They did a swap deal with Crystal Palace. They got Brennan Johnson. I know they did a lot of business.
They did Brennan Johnson,
Yeah.
Hayden Hackney, Christian Norgard. Yeah.
Oh.
Tyreek
Tapi nggak ada
Miller.
duit buat wasit. Buat
Yeah, I mean, I would rather put Everton there
Then
than Crystal
Nottingham?
Palace or Sunderland.
I
honestly.
don't mind that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to put Everton there.
Boleh, I don't mind.
I don't mind that.
Yeah.
Tapi
So I think they're probably going to be like 13,
Tapi 13,
13
but-
14
oh, yeah,
lah
yeah.
ya.
I would say Newcastle 13.
You guys
Yeah,
13?
just ini kan, ya.
Yeah.
And then I would say Coventry at the bottom.
Yeah.
I
Brentford,
I
yeah.
don't agree with Brentford in 15th, bro. I don't
You think
know.
they're going to be higher?
Higher than Everton.
You want to put it higher than Everton?
Yeah,
I think they go upper mid if you ask me.
No, I think Brentford's.
kayaknya udah bagus di situ.
Okay, fine.
Okay, the next I think probably Nottingham Forest.
Maybe gue rasa sih Fulham di atas Everton. Evertonnya lebih di bawah, enggak?
I don't know because Fulham hasn't done so
Yeah,
much
sih.
business.
Yeah.
Everton yang ini ya baru bisnisnya banyak. Lumayan.
Okay. So I think
Brighton?
next for the upper mid table,
Brighton.
Brighton.
Not-
actually
not
plays
12,
great
not
football.
12.
Tapi
They-
I think so they come upper mid. Upper mid kan 8 sampai 12.
Yeah,
Bisa sih.
but I think let's see
let's
everyone.
maybe like I want to put in
Put Sunderland for
we'll
sure.
put in like Brighton. We'll
Yeah.
put in Sunderland.
Sunderland bisa.
Putting in Nottingham.
Yeah, they're not going to
Nottingham.
7.
And then maybe Crystal Palace in there as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Aston?
And
Actually, I
Bournemouth.
think Aston Villa will actually struggle this season.
But
because
I
they
think-
have European football.
Yeah.
I think they could make top 7. though.
Yeah,
I think Bournemouth struggle more than them.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Fair.
So Bournemouth di
So I think
ini.
okay. So we have
So,
8 to 12 first.
so
this-
Bournemouth also goes there.
Bournemouth also goes here. Yeah, Bournemouth also. I mean, they held on to Ryan, which is honestly probably
yeah,
the
that's a-
best part of their summer.
Oke.
Tapi other than that, not
Nggak
many
ada.
key signings
Gak ada
flying
ini
into
ya.
ya.
Jadi
I-
bisa gameplay masih.
You want to put in like Nottingham maybe below Crystal Palace.
You know, I think put Brentford in 12th and Nottingham in 13. If you ask me.
Enggak.
Okay.
Enggak. Honestly, I think Nottingham with Morgan Gibbs White just purely I think I rate him
Squadnya
so
emang
high.
siapa sih orang? Key players-nya siapa emang? Kalau di Nottingham.
Nottingham, you have Gibbs White. That's the biggest key, I think. Who's there?
They have. I mean, they just lost Elliot Anderson also. I think
Yeah,
it's
true.
going to be a big
Yeah,
deal
exactly.
for them.
They haven't replaced him either, right?
Not a whole lot. Yeah.
That's why I think Nottingham goes to lower mid.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Honestly, I can agree with you in that.
Because their backbone, which was Anderson, was balling.
So I push up Brentford. Yeah.
Dia
Yes,
masukin benda.
Steven Benda.
Benda.
Okay. Okay. Jadi that sounds good. Bournemouth, Brighton.
I don't mind the shout.
Yeah.
Ini bagus.
I don't
Sunderland
mind.
also above Crystal Palace. I think.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean I wouldn't mind swapping them, but if you guys like this, I don't
think
mind.
Sunderland's a little bit above. I think they have Sar and they have.
I think so Sunderland juga kayak masih number 8 juga oke sih. I don't mind Sunderland
Yeah.
being number 8 sih. Dari
number
listnya
8.
itu.
I don't know.
I don't
That's-
know.
I don't think so.
Atau menurut gue kayak Brighton di atas, terus Sunderland nomor 2, terus yang siapa
I
namanya?
think Bournemouth is so good though.
Okay.
Because they have Krupi Jr., they have Ryan.
Ya.
Yeah. I think Bournemouth, out of everyone else in the Premier League, are on their way to really pushing themselves into such a big club because they're run so well. Jadi mereka run every season. They have people that they sell.
Yeah.
They bring in new, younger talent, people from their academy.
I mean,
it's
you
a really well-run club.
You could say the same about Brighton also.
Yeah, Brighton's the same
Kayak
style.
Chelsea
A
punya
modern football club.
Yeah.
Saya.
Bisa.
Brighton and Chelsea is like Liverpool sama Southampton dulu. If you know, you know.
Okay, so let's look at sekarang. Oh, kita udah back nih to the big Premier League 6.
Oh yeah, I mean seven.
Episode 7, yeah. Basically, Aston Villa kita bisa anggap as the best of the rest. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
So I honestly think they will struggle much more than last season, especially they lost Morgan Rogers.
Yeah, and they have UCL
And
football
they have
juga.
UCL football, which is very,
It's a
very
different
hard.
beast.
It's a different.
It's different from-
like managed minutes. Kayak lo beneran squad depth-nya harus lebih tinggi.
Wait, yang masuk siapa? Aston Villa, Arsenal, ke UCL maksudnya?
Aston Villa, Arsenal, United,
MU sama
City,
City.
Yeah.
and Liverpool. Because there's 5, right?
Liverpool ya?
Yeah.
Nomor 5 kan Liverpool ya?
Yeah. Last year there was 5, tapi this year it's back to
Oh, it's back to
5th and 6th for Europa League.
how come we had Premier League at
Itu
5?
udah bener. UCL,
Yeah.
UCL terus
UCL,
udah bener.
UEL 5th, 6th.
Udah bener.
Yeah. They're back because of how well they did last season, so it changes on a year-to-year basis.
Oh, oke.
Jadi, I think Aston Villa safely. I think like they're gonna go back
Terus ya?
I think they'll go 7. I don't
back
mind.
down to 7th. Yeah.
Oh, back to the traditional Big Six.
Yeah, back to the traditional Big Six nih. Nah, sekarang this is where it gets quite interesting ya. So we have lumayan beda opinions about all of these top 6.
The thing is,
Yeah.
like, I'm scared of my Big Six prediction because Spurs could just have another stinker.
They could have another stinker,
Like-
or they could have an awesome.
Yeah.
Tapi kan dia signingsnya lagi banyak deh.
Signingsnya lagi banyak banget.
I mean, last year signingsnya banyak. The year before signingsnya banyak.
No, but beda
But,
kelas lah.
yeah,
gila.
I mean,
Tapi ya
Mereka itu beneran kayak-
mereka semenjak kehilangan si Kane sama si Son kayak nggak pernah back
Nggak pernah
to the
replace sih, bener
form
ya.
sih.
no, after Kane left
And I
with Son, they finished 15. I mean, they won the
Yeah.
Conference League, unfortunately. Tapi,
Kesel banget. Dia kesel banget.
bro, they scored 1 goal and parked the bus, man. Fucking stupid ass team.
Okay.
Tapi,
Jadi
Ya,
I think
nggak apa-apa.
Spurs itu kayak memang kemarin ketakutan banget by the fact that they could actually have
Yeah.
gotten relegated.
Yeah, yeah.
So they decided to
Yeah.
put their money where it's worth.
Tapi signingsnya juga bagus kan nggak?
yeah,
jelek-jelek.
Tonali, Van Heck,
Tonali was a
Van
good
Heck.
shout.
Robertson.
Tonali.
Although mereka overpay for a lot of these players, yeah.
True,
They,
tapi-
they paid West Ham for
Oh, Matheus Fernandes.
Matheus Fernandes,
Mahal
like-
banget.
like 8 million
For relegated club
Tonali
player.
dulu di AC Milan kan? Yang
di,
dulu.
di Newcastle ya.
Yeah, AC Milan to Newcastle. Yeah.
Yeah, he's a really good player.
Tonali could be the new backbone of this team.
So do we want to say that
I wouldn't mind putting them 6th. I think.
yeah?
6 is good.
I think consensus that is all of us. I think they could go a little bit higher personally.
I think so
Tapi
6 deh.
yeah, but yeah, I mean for consensus kayak
Masih 6.
And I think for safety.
for safety.
Tapi
For
pasti
safety.
di bracket itu kan mungkin di atas.
Yeah.
I mean,
They could push
you
for
never
UCL,
know.
but you never know. Because
Yeah.
mereka juga nggak main European football this
True.
season.
Yeah.
They only have to focus on the Premier League. and-
Bisa, jadi kayak dia orangnya hyper fokus
Yeah.
siapa tahu
Yeah.
nomor 1.
Gak ada. Gak ada.
Next coba kita ngomongin. I think this decision itu di antara Liverpool and Chelsea next ya.
Yeah.
Although I think both of them actually ceilingnya juga lebih tinggi. I really like both their managers, Iraola
True.
and also Xabi Alonso, coming off of like the amazing things he did in
Leverkusen.
Leverkusen,
Iraola also has something to prove in the Premier League.
Zabi Alonso emang different football juga ya.
Yeah.
Dan juga bukan haram ball ya.
My only thing with these managers, with these teams, like, okay, Iraola is a great manager. Tapi they haven't replaced Salah. And when we look at Chelsea, bukan manajernya, their squad depth is crazy. You can make 3 starting lineups.
Yeah.
Tapi it depends how he is with the board. When he starts losing 2-3 games in a row, if it happens,
Yeah, they really have to. back him for the
they
whole
could
season.
sack him.
Tapi, to be fair, this is a little fun fact. This is the first time they actually have called a manager the manager of a team instead of a head coach. So maybe this is a new.
So they're giving him more
beginning
control.
for Chelsea and their philosophy with managers. I think he definitely will be the type of manager. Kalau mereka dia beneran sign for them, he wants to be given the trust. So I think probably Liverpool is gonna go 5th.
Yeah, I
because
agree.
They didn't replace
Salah,
their
yeah.
big players. Yeah.
And I mean, Salah, like, okay, he's a bit old. He didn't do as well last year. Dia berantem sama si botak siapa? Arne Slot.
Ada slot ya.
Tapi yeah, they haven't replaced him well enough. They didn't even replace Luis Diaz
Ya.
Benar.
until now. So I think yeah, 5th.
Tapi Gimares kemana?
Gimana ke Arsenal?
Oh, gue pikir kalau Liverpool. Oke, oke. Gimares.
Oke.
Gila, Arsenal bisa nomor 1
So
sih menurut gue.
we can say Chelsea safely in 4th.
I agree.
Or-
Chelsea 4th. I think Chelsea 4th. Chelsea 4th.
boleh.
Nah, this is the time to maybe introduce the discussion of how will City do after post
Post-Pep.
Pep era.
Okay, I know we can't judge on one game.
Yeah, but they
Okay,
look bad in the
tapi I know it's community shield, but you can't lose 3-0 to Arsenal.
To be fair though, I think we have forgotten karena udah banyak World Cup, udah Champions League final sejak hari yang Gabriel miss penalty itu. Arsenal are an incredible team gitu loh.
I understand that.
Yeah,
Tapi
kan?
Man
Tapi
City,
you don't lose like
tapi Man City yang dia orang kurang itu yang the key players yang Bernardo Silva dan Rodri, dan itu udah kejual
Yeah.
juga ke Madrid dan ke Barcelona.
For what it's worth, I think
I think so, dia orang apalagi kehilangan manajer yang sangat penting.
yeah, and also
Susah banget untuk comeback karena those two roles as players itu yang itu backbone dan darah untuk
And
ini, tau gak?
for City how they played was Rodri was the holding defender.
Iya, jadi
Tapi sekarang they replace him with Anderson. Tapi Anderson doesn't have the same profile.
I think he has very similar
I
profile.
don't
No, but
think
I-
so.
I think
he's
so.
more-
It's just
Kalau
less
lu
of a namanya.
He's not a pure number 6. Like he doesn't like.
I think
If you see him play at Nottingham,
He's not like a Busquets or
yeah, it's a different profile.
5 dong.
You're number 5.
So number 5, sorry.
Number 5 dong.
But I
Kalau-
think he still has maksudnya the traits of being able to play out from the back.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
He still has
Dia
a good-
masih- dia
tapi
masih
jadi
bisa.
pivot yang bagus lah.
That's
basically.
but I think he would be more of
Itu yang
a.
kata kunci pivot tapi bukan holding kayak
I
dia
think he would be
ngomong.
more of a double pivot rather than a single holding defender.
That's true.
Tapi ya
And they don't have Reinders anymore to help with that. They don't
I
have
think we have to
Bernardo Silva.
Also
Gua
take
nggak
into
kaget.
account bahwa Maresca bakal main slightly different than Pep did. kan?
True.
Tapi gue
True.
gak kaget kalau emang dia orang nggak di second sampai 4 tapi malahan ke
Turun ke bawah juga
Gua
bisa
nggak
banget.
kaget.
Ya.
Tapi
Gua kaget.
I think I don't think they'll finish below 4th because Man City, they're a rich club.
yeah.
If their results are starting to dip, they're gonna sack Maresca and bring in a better
terus
manager.
bayarin wasit.
Berapa 115 charge?
Anjing.
Yeah, so yeah, tapi as it goes, setiap kali ada long era for a manager, we saw Man United suffer with it. We saw Liverpool suffer with it after Klopp.
We're seeing Man United
We're
suffer
seeing Man
with
United
it.
suffer with it. So it's gonna definitely be tough. It could
Yeah.
very be possible that they go down to the Europa League and even the.
Relegated?
But yeah, I think safely say third for our prediction.
Gue mau quote Amorim,
So-
eras come to an end, bro.
So now, gimana nih tim lu? Menurut lu bisa menang? Mau taruh aja nomor 1 nih.
If bola gas. Man United first play. Let's go.
Layak nggak?
No, I think okay. I'm a huge United fan, but I think Arsenal goes back to back.
Ya realistis.
It's hard-
Unfortunately.
it's hard to say
realistis
not-
aja sih, kita realistis.
Tapi I mean we still have time for the transfer window to end.
Anjir, dia baru sign Gimares kayak tadi lo.
Yeah.
Enggak, itu di
It's
situ
in the
dong,
se-
sayang.
the
Iya,
second
iya,
place.
betul. Tahu. Ini kan masih diskusi.
Iya.
Okay, as much as gue mau, I think the signings we've made are not strong enough to put us as title
Betul,
contenders.
tapi Bruno Fernandes juga balik lagi kita ke Bruno Fernandes ya. Bruno Fernandes last season juga
My God, my
very
God.
good ya. How he's been
He's
playing
the
juga
best
bagus.
player in the Premier League
Yeah.
by far
And
last
assist paling
year.
banyak di
To
ini
be
juga.
fair, guys,
Satu
he
tim
went
nggak
missing
bisa
at the
ini.
World Cup.
Tapi the whole
Nah, kalau Portugis you udah
no okay you look
Gak usah ngomongin
but tapi you look at the World Cup, that whole
Jelek.
midfield didn't work. You look at Vitinha and
Yeah,
João Neves.
Ngomongin Portugal, man. Portugal jelek, bro.
I still think for the record that was the manager's fault.
Oh, 100%,
Martino's-
100%.
fraud.
Because how do you have? No, tapi how do you have that midfield? Probably the best. They probably had as midfielders the best midfield lineup
Gua bisa-
in the World Cup.
Gue bisa sama dia kayak anjing Vitinha sama si
Neves, and then you
Mereka
Bruno.
jago banget di PSG. Di sana mereka kayak minion aja.
Exactly.
Gak main apa-apa.
itu di World Cup Vitinha kayak main di Wolves bukan main di
Dia
PSG.
bukan Vitinha, dia bikin Vitin. Hah?
Personally, guys, I think
Siapa?
this is just my personal prediction. I know these guys won't let me push Man United to another position.
No.
Tapi
Nggak apa-apa.
we have to remember.
Aja, nggak
We have to
apa-apa.
remember last season yang Man United could actually get a decent run of results itu karena mereka memang fitnessnya nggak banyak masalah. In
Of
the
course,
sense,
banyak masalah.
tapi not as much problems if they were going to play midweek as well. Last season they did not have European football.
But we had 5 injured center backs at one point by the way.
Yeah.
Mungkin fitnessnya.
Tapi
And okay, I have to give it to you guys because Marcus Rashford, which now after his time in Barcelona, I rate so high.
we haven't. Okay, look at our
Honestly,
squad depth for attack. Yeah, so we still have Xerxes as a sub to Šeško, Cunha can play in striker, Mbeumo can play in striker.
Yeah.
On the right, you have Mbeumo, you have Amad Diallo. On the left, you have Patrick Dorgu, you have Cunha, you have Rashford as well.
And midfield, they have
yang
Bobby
dari Sweden
Mainu.
siapa sih? Yang dari Sweden?
Sweden.
Yang dari Sweden. Sweden kemarin yang
Striker.
Sweden.
Yeah, Dorgu.
Dorgu is
Danish.
Danish.
No, yang
Yeah,
yang
Dorgu is Denmark.
yang Sweden, yang Isak punya tim siapa? Isak kan? Isak sama
Isak
Gyökeres.
Liverpool.
No, Isak Gyökeres. Terus ada satu lagi yang kalau yang pas masuk itu Erlangga. Erlangga di mana?
Elanga.
Oh, Elanga. Elanga
bagus.
is not United anymore.
Not
He's
United
in
anymore.
Nottingham, I think.
Oh iya.
Yeah. tapi basically they have a solid squad.
Yeah.
Honestly, Luke Shaw, if he can stay fit also.
Yeah.
And then
so bagus.
Dorgu juga bisa main left back. Mazraoui can play right or
Yeah.
left. I think our squad depth is good.
Yeah, they still have Maguire on the bench if needed.
Maguire can
started, yeah.
start. Maguire can start.
Yeah.
Maguire bagus.
My God, bro, we got robbed not going to the World Cup.
Jadi ini kita setuju ya. Jadi we have in 5th and 6th place Spurs and Liverpool, Chelsea in 4th, Man City in 3rd, Man United in 2nd, and championsnya si Gunners, Arsenal.
I don't want them to win, but I think they'll win. But okay, listen. If United can sign 2 or 3 more players, we'll win the league. If we can sign the right 2 or 3 players, the transfer window's not over yet.
People ask me why
No.
like United fans, it's just this delusion.
Okay, shut up, championship. Okay, listen to me first. Listen to me first.
Komen di bawah kalau lu suka video ini atau enggak. Bye.